Bo Thaichu ke gonda chorani tuibiyok mo. This mango was brought from gonda tuisa. Brought moke tuyok mono yo. Bought moke pai mono yo. Tuide kuide angpose siyako. I'm not sure yet whether it's sweet or sour. Sweet moke tui, sour moke kui. Ariake bodike pasamayo. No idea yet if it's sweet or sour. Toke bongra tomi Thaichu. At the moment, he is cutting the mango. Xauzat kroin pitum lebo Thaichu. This mango isn't rotten at all. Jang treko abenai negana. Let's see on the other side. Jang pok sau kroin pitum le. This side isn't rotten either. Kormolu pitum le. It has a yellowish color. Ta okay. Banana Thaichu ranai. Now I'm going to cut banana mango. Bopo thau keno nu pitumle. It's look delicious. Nai negradi. Take a look. Bungke podeke rami chungcha puo cha thoma ungyok nai ni paye. He's cutting it this way so it's easier for us to eat. Beta thau. It's really tasty. Trewaha thangse ma pai phinai. I will go buy it again. Bosiboi sema thangnai. I will go and visit every year. Now lebodima Thaichu skangrawo cha denai ha. Have you tasted this kind of mango before? Cha naya khongkhem, cha naiga di. If you haven't tried yet, try and see. Angpho bini dam thi khelesia. I also don't know the exact price. Sisale mru nyek now. I have heard it's little expensive. Expensive himoke dam mru mang mono yo.